Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook salmon on the grill. First, select fresh salmon fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that wonderfully crispy skin. Then, season your salmon generously with salt, pepper, and any other herbs or spices you love. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Next, let's get your grill ready. Preheat it to a medium-high temperature, aiming for around 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. While it heats, take a moment to clean your grill grates thoroughly. This prevents the salmon from sticking. Finally, lightly oil the clean grates with a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, using a paper towel. This ensures a smooth cooking surface. Now for the grilling itself. Carefully place your seasoned salmon fillets, skin side down, directly onto the hot, oiled grill grates. Cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes per inch of thickness. This initial cook time helps develop a beautiful crust. Then, gently flip the salmon once and continue cooking for another 2 to 4 minutes, or until it flakes easily with a fork. Don't overcook it. To ensure your salmon is perfectly cooked, check that its internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, remove it from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the fish moist and tender. Finally, garnish your delicious grilled salmon with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped dill for a bright, fresh finish. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.